Greetings and welcome back to this channel. If you're looking for a quick, easy and delicious homemade cookie recipe, you're in the right place. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple recipes just like this. These 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies are quick, delicious and perfect for beginners. All you need is peanut butter, brown sugar and rolled oats. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add half cup of peanut butter, creamy or chunky, whichever you prefer. I'm using organic peanut butter. Spread it out with a sturdy wooden spatula. Then add a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Mix everything together until it becomes smooth and well combined. Next, add half a cup of rolled oats. And we're going to switch to a silicone spatula. Now we're going to gently fold the mixture, turning it over until everything is evenly combined and we get a nice thick texture. Now it's well combined. At this point, you can customize your cookies. Try adding chocolate chips or chopped walnuts or a touch of cinnamon or vanilla for extra flavor. These are completely optional, but they make a big difference. So I'm going to add a pinch of Ceylon cinnamon. And some dark chocolate chunks. Again, these are optional. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Now, use an ice cream scoop to portion out the dough. And roll each scoop gently between your palms to smooth it out. Then place it on your baking sheet. Now lightly press each one down using the back of a spoon. Our cookies are ready to go to the oven. Bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 180 degrees Celsius, for about 10 minutes. Our cookies are ready. We're going to let them rest on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes, then transfer them to a cooling rack. Time to transfer them to the cooling rack. This is so soft and so delicious and very light. And that's it. Simple, light, and absolutely delicious cookies ready to enjoy. Make sure to subscribe, share this video, and let me know in the comments what you added to yours. I'll see you in the next recipe.